I'm Joshua Pantier, and I'm the principal at Chaparral High School. At Chaparral, we empower students to excel in academics and explore various career pathways, arts, extracurriculars, and athletics in a supportive environment. We have students excelling in academics every year. We administer over 1,200 AP exams to over 600 students. But we also have students being recognized every year for U.S. presidential scholarships and Flynn Scholars. In terms of AP classes, we have 23 AP classes that we offer and 31 dual enrollment courses. CTE, we have several programs. Our most notable ones are culinary and criminal justice, but we also offer business and engineering and sports medicine. In sports, we compete in the 5A conference for all sports. We offer pretty much every sport that's offered by the AIA and recently added girls flag football. So whether it's baseball, tennis, softball, volleyball, we have all the sports to offer students who are interested. Our performing arts programs are some of the best in the state, and they're recognized every year for their excellence. Theater puts on 3 big shows a year, and last year they had the most nominations of any high school for the state awards at Gamage. At Chaparral, we also have a lot of tradition. Chaparral's been around for about 53 years now, and so we have parents in the community who went to Chaparral, and now their students are going to Chaparral as well. The student body is very cohesive. Even though it's a big school with about 1,700 students, students find it easy to find a group to associate themselves with. We also offer about 70 clubs. So there's always a way for students to get involved and get connected with other students who have common interests. At Chaparral, we actually do have quite a significant amount of open enrolled students, and that's because we have programs that can attract students from nearby districts. Any student can apply to enroll at Chaparral. I believe Chaparral is a great school. It's a school where kids like coming to school, and it's a school where teachers like teaching. So we think we have a great thing to offer anyone in the Valley who's interested in coming to high school.